Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to create a character using skin modifier. Alright, so if you look at this, it is simply a line which is going to become a character. So we'll see how this is achieved in Blender. What we'll do is create a plane. I want to move it around. We don't need the camera, so I'll delete that. Hit the tab key to go to edit mode, and we will select all these and merge vertices at center so you get a single vertex. If I hit the E key to extrude and then Z to extrude in the Z direction, now we have a line. In the modify panel, we will add a skin modifier, and that will create a geometry around it. Now we want it to have subdivision, so we'll add subdivision modifier and we'll make it true. So now you have a organic shape. What we want is I'll select this and I'll go to the top view and I'll extrude it, and I will extrude it along X. So I'll hit the X key. Now we want to mirror our character. So I will add a mirror modifier, and you can see that it mirrors in the other direction. I will move the mirror above subdivision, and I can even move it above my skin modifier, and you can see that now it blends properly. Okay, and that is what it is all about. All right, so for example, if this becomes our arms, then we can extrude it further down. I will extrude it out to create the knees, extrude out to create the feet, extrude out in Y to create the feet. Okay, now we want to scale our elements. So simply Control A will scale things in and out. Okay, I can select the edge, right click and say subdivide to add vertices, and you can then add muscle mass. Okay, one to go in the front view, E to extrude, Z in the Z direction, E to extrude, Z in the Z direction. For the head, I will go and subdivide this, and I will add 3 points. Go to vertex mode, and we will select the middle two and hit Control A to scale it out. And then we'll scale it apart. To create the head. And that's about it. E and X. Now I'll hit the top view, and to create, Control A to scale, E to extrude. This is the wrist. This will be the thumb. This will be the finger. And then you can move these around. Control A to scale and move around to get the look that you want. Control A to scale. Okay. If once you are happy, if you apply the skin modifier, you can see that you get a very basic mesh, which can be edited further to clean the geometry and get your character to uh, do further editing. And so this is a quick way to get the basic shape, and then you can further modify the character. So you can see within few minutes you are able to create a character. That's about it. Thank you very much.